No. I'm just going out with you just to see what's going on.
He's stupid.
Who's stupid?
The alley. Basically, I would sat there. I do it every week. The guy with the mask to say, Rob, this may turn into a potential job.
Okay. Huh?
What?
No, he doesn't have anything on him.
What?
Hey, can you turn around so I can just pat you down real quick? Because we're getting calls of something.
Of what?
Just, can you get away from your bicycle? I'll pat you down, turn around, face it. All right, face away from me. Okay. Can you do me a favor and sit over here for me, please?
For what?
Well, I'm going to explain it to you.
Explain
Just
it to me.
calm
Please
down, all right?
Explain it to me because I'm not in the mood.
Okay, well, neither are we.
Okay, let's go.
We're getting calls about somebody with a gun. Do you have any guns, sir?
No, I was writing with Einstein. I heard you coming over to SPS.
Sir, listen, we're not trying to...
It's not me.
Okay, and that's fine.
We're just not trying to harass anybody.
Okay,
We got a call.
so you got the wrong guy. I don't have a gun. Okay, do your job. But I was sitting over there, Einstein, they was coming over to SPS. Somebody's creating a problem.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
It's not me. Why would I walk with a gun?
Okay, that's fine.
I'm a religious man. You see the cross on my neck? Okay, so please go, because I'm not in the mood today, and I am going through some bad times.
I don't care if you're in the mood or not.
Exactly. No, it doesn't matter.
Do your job. I'm not the one.
That's what we're doing.
Okay, well, I'm not the one.
So why don't you just sit tight and relax?
All right, so check what you check. I don't got no goddamn gun, and you're not going through my thing unless you have a warrant. I just drove from over there.
10-4.
That little old lady she's ignorant.
No worries. What's your name, sir?
Robert.
Robert? What's your last name?
Bucknell.
Can you spell that for me?
Bucknell.
Do you have a middle initial?
D is in Donahue.
Okay. Do you have date of birth?
7/21/1968. You're looking at Robert Bucknell from Bucknell University.
All right, awesome. Do you have an address, a mailing address or anything like that? Do you have a phone number?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I need y'all to really disapprove.
Believe it or not, we don't just pop up out of the ground for no reason.
Well, basically, it's stupid.
Okay, I'm going to switch to 3. You guys listen.
Maybe we still got a job.
Okay, well, I was right there when it was coming in. I was sitting there with them.
We don't just appear and harass
The
people for no
lady
reason.
sitting there with the white hair called me a nigger last week because I tried to move her shopping cart.
Did you the one was
I was told to clean up the area. Basically, you need, okay, if you're going to check something out, you need to go back to the source and find out what's going on. Because basically, I ain't got nothing.
First name is Robert, that's common spelling. And then Bucknell, which is Bravo, Uniform, Charlie, Kilo, November, Echo, Lima,
This is
Lima.
harassment, you know that.
Date of birth is 7/21/68 to a black male.
Got the wrong guy. Do I look like I have a shotgun or a short? I heard what the guy was saying over the speaker.
Well, you got to understand that what you were carrying right there is kind of long, and it kind of might look like something, so you got to understand. Well, yeah, I know it's a speaker. Like when you look closer, it's a speaker. So.
We're just here to do our job, and if you check out, we're going to leave. That's it. Simple as that.
I'm answering her question.
Okay, that's all we're saying.
You want me to answer her question?
That's all we're saying.
Okay, she said it looked like something. Does that look like a rifle to you?
Who's the white lady that you're talking about?
It's an old.
Where is she? What does she
she's
say?
sitting in front of the coffee shop. Basically, she's 5150. And all I was doing, I didn't know it was her cart. It was in front of the place. It's a coffee. The coffee shop on what you call it there? I don't know the name of that street. The main street where everybody sits there and drinks coffee. Yeah, Clematis.
Old white lady with
Old white lady with the white hair. Basically, she called me a nigga. I said, man, why are you disrespecting me? Right. And basically, the wall's right there. I'm like, what's going on here? Then the lady with all the tattoos comes out. Ryan already says, yo.
Not really. Go ahead.
You can have access percent out of Texas, no extradition, reference, ability to appear for a single 30. No problems, he has nothing active, history of RA with violence.
Copy, thank you. Can you send his 14 to my 103, please? Non-extraditional.
Perfect. Because the lady that came
all right.
was upset that I was saying what I was saying to that white lady.
Have a good one.